Irregular verbs with the same infinitive and past participle. Some irregular verbs keep the same form in the infinitive and the past participle, while the past tense changes. Let's see them. Become is became in the past simple, and back to become in the past participle. Come is came in the past simple, and back to come in the past participle. Run is ran, then back to run. And overcome is overcame, and back to overcome. Learn this. If you come and run with us, you will become fit and overcome challenges. Let's see how well you know irregular verb endings with this quick quiz. This bird has come to visit us every day since we rescued her. Is it A, came, B, comes, C, comed, or D, come? The correct answer is D, come. This bird has come to visit us every day since we rescued her. We run into some friends at the park yesterday. Is it A, running, B, run, C, ran, or D, runs? The correct answer is C, ran. We ran into some friends at the park yesterday. Mr. Connor soon overcome his fear of speaking in front of the class. Is it A, overcame, B, overcames, C, overcomed, or D, overcome? The correct answer is A, overcame. Mr. Connor soon overcame his fear of speaking in front of the class. And finally, Josh has graduated and has become a fully qualified doctor. Is it A, became, B, becames, C, become, or D, becomes? The correct answer is C, become. Josh has graduated and has become a fully qualified doctor. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar practice.